KOVO allows you to build credit and earn rewards. It's a registered Delaware public benefit corporation. Now, what does that mean? A public benefit designation is only given to companies who intend to produce a public benefit and operate in a responsible and sustainable manner. You may be thinking, well, duh, but trust me, this isn't as common as you may think. Some of these credit builder fintech companies, let me just put it this way, their main objective is to take advantage of the credit challenged consumers for profit. But that isn't the case with KOVO, just keeping it real. The public benefit designation means the company is managed in such a way that balances the company's interests with the best interests of those most affected by the company's conduct and the company's mission. When you apply for KOVO, there's no credit check, you get instant approval, and there's no interest rates or fees. And you can also earn 1% on the loan. And here's how it works. So guys, first, you just simply begin building credit with installment payments, which will be $10 per month over a 24-month term. So that's going to be 2 years. And each payment will be reported to Equifax and Experian. So that's 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus. Next, you gain access to some very helpful digital courses by instructors who were designed to help you reach your credit goals. And these interactive courses include, but not limited to, job interview skills, how to start a business and form a business idea, sales training, stress management with time management for burnout and anxiety, and even path to building a top 1% influencer personal brand. Lastly, you're able to earn with rewards. The KOVO Reward program allows customers to earn gift cards when opening a loan or credit offered by its featured lenders and card issuers. With KOVO, you can earn up to $1,225 in rewards, which is technically 5 times more value than the cost of KOVO itself, which is only $10 per month. Rewards are calculated as 1% of the value of a personal loan issued, which is up to $500 gift card, student loans issued up to a $250 gift card, student loan refinances issued up to a $250 gift card, auto loans refinanced issues up to about a $150 gift card, and a $75 gift card for a credit card approval. So the reward program is available to all active customers who have made 4 or more on-time payments. The KOVO app also tracks your FICO score, which is super important because those are your real scores, guys, not Vanish 3.0 that you could find on apps like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. FICO is the same score lenders will use to either deny or approve you for credit cards and loans. So if you're interested in signing up for KOVO to start building, learning, and earning today, you can do so by using the link below to sign up today, or you can just type in tinyurl.com/KOVO Cred Builder. Simple enough, right? And guys, remember, if you already have, let's say, open student loans, auto loans, or mortgage loans on your credit report, there's really no need to sign up for a credit builder loan, as you will likely already have built-in credit. In that case, the only way to improve your credit is to get rid of derogatory items like collections, charge-offs, and late payments. If you need assistance with that, we would certainly love to help you out at my company, which is GreenScale Credit. All you got to do is schedule a free credit consultation at our website, which is greenscalecredit.com, or you'll easily find the link down below in the description. Go ahead and schedule an appointment based on your availability, and we look forward to helping you out, whether it be to get approved for that home loan, get a new car, get low interest credit cards, you name it, or just to get a fresh start. Because again, we understand that at the end of the day, bad things happen to good people, but the good news, my friends, is bad credit is temporary. So let us help you out.
Meet Daniel. He owns a beautiful home, has a stable, high-paying job, and recently purchased his dream car. Life is great. Until one day, he, along with hundreds of his coworkers, are laid off. Now, Daniel is unable to pay bills for several long months. Now his home is under foreclosure and his car was repossessed. Daniel was able to find a new job, but unfortunately, the damage has already been done. His credit was ruined. It seemed like there was nothing he could do until a friend told him about our company GreenScale Credit. At GreenScale, we help improve your credit wellness, allowing you to be approved for the best credit cards, access the lowest rates on auto loans, home loans, and more, but most importantly, giving you a fresh start. Our team of friendly experts will walk you through the entire process while educating you along the way. With our help, Daniel was able to remove collection accounts, late payments, and repossessions from his credit report, resulting in significant increases in his credit score. Thanks to GreenScale Credit, he was able to save his home and purchase a new car with a lower interest rate. Life is finally getting better for him. Bad things happen to good people. The good news is bad credit is temporary. Take the first step on the road to recovery and go to www.greenscalecredit.com to sign up for your free credit consultation today.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, do that now. Change the color on the like button while you're at it, and enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. And as always, thanks for watching.